Hello Year 8, I hope you all had a lovely week last week. I think it's going to be a dull, cloudy one this week, maybe a little bit of rain, but hopefully some sunshine for the weekend. There you go, that's my forecast out of the way for today. It's been great to receive some really lovely feedback from your teachers again this week. So as we always do, let's start by sharing our good news. So we'll begin over in history, and Mrs Hitch says well done to Holly B for her independent work on her World War I project. Also Emily C, who sent in some excellent work this week, so well done. Mr Finley would like to praise Imogen G and Ellie W for the excellent effort he's seen from these students, plus an extra especially huge well done to Abigail R, who's completed every single task that's been set. He's really impressed, so well done there. Over in the food department, Miss Allen says well done to Alex P. She says he's gone mad this week. He's been experimenting with flavour versus appearance to see if he can confuse the mind. So the red sponge you're looking at is actually lime flavoured, and it's been sandwiched together with black icing, which has been beautifully piped on top there. Excellent work. Well done, Alex. Keep experimenting because we're all really excited to see what you come up with next. Miss Wilson says well done to Epony. She's been very busy making all sorts, and this week she's made chicken and asparagus quiche. Looks delicious. Well done there. Alex G has made chili bean wraps with lots of amazing coloured fruits and vegetables, so well done. And well done to Molly S. Molly has been cooking some of the most delicious looking food. You should be able to see Molly's American pancakes from our recipe folder. The presentation is fabulous, and Miss Wilson and I will definitely come to your cafe, Molly. You should also be able to see Molly's cookies. It's safe to say Molly's cookies look even nicer than Millie's cookies. Fab, golden brown colour and uniform size and shape. Just perfect. Well done. Now over in the science department, Miss Milner has nominated Abigail R, Epony, Alex P, Isabel P, Madison W, Oliver H, Cameron C, Harvey H, and Brandon S for their hard work in science. So well done, everyone. Miss Capel sends a huge well done to Holly B for her work on electromagnets, Chloe H for a great effort on her work on forces, Amelia M for a fabulous effort on the waves question booklet, and Alfie W for his great effort with his variation task, including some super explanations, so well done. From English, I would like to say well done to Molly S, William S and Cameron W again for their super effort with the Animal Farm booklet. It's a great job, you three. I'd also like to say thank you to Holly B and Jacob T for their TikTok video this week. That kept me smiling. The beach looked freezing. But well done, you two. I'd also like to say well done to our musicians out there. Firstly to Ethan R. Thank you for sending in your video of you playing your guitar. To say you haven't been playing all that long, you're doing absolutely brilliantly. A lovely guitar too. Let's take a quick look at Ethan playing. Well done, absolutely fabulous, great job. Also thank you to Alfie W for sending your recording in too. Hang around at the end of today's assembly to hear Alfie's superstar skills. Well done boys, clearly we have a few rock stars in the making in our year group. Well done to everyone today for your shout outs. Remember to check your inbox for a message from me. Now let's hear from Mr Coulson.
Good morning Year 8, I hope you're all well. Just a quick shout out before we get into it. So Alfie W and Ethan R, well done for your fantastic music performance last week. Kerrigan for your brilliant artwork which your mum has been telling me all about. Just remember Year 8, obviously I've got 2 weeks left here now before a big push for Year 9, so just remember every little bit helps. So if we do get on with a little bit of work, make sure we get sent into teachers, but last big push now before we do start next year. Just remember to stay safe, look after yourselves, and hope to see you all soon.
Hello Year 8, I hope you're all well and I hope you're all staying safe. It's really good every week to listen to Mrs Wharton's shout out, so please keep going with that work, keep completing it all and emailing it to all your teachers. I just want to give a little shout out to my form. Please reply to some emails. I send you weekly emails to check in, see how you're doing, see what you're getting up to, and I have a handful of replies. Now I know that some of you just reply and say hi miss, I'm fine, and that is absolutely perfect, but please check your emails, reply to me, let me know that you're okay. I love hearing how you're getting on during lockdown. You might have seen as well on the Netherwood Facebook page last week, I think it was, the Proud of Our Netherwood community montage that I've put together. It was so good to see so many Year 8s in there helping out their families, helping within the community and helping their elderly relatives or elderly neighbours. absolutely fantastic to see you all in there. So please, if you have done something that you're proud of during this lockdown that's, not necessarily schoolwork, it could be something to do with helping your neighbours, helping out in the house, starting a new hobby, or whatever you've done that you're happy with and you're proud of, then please email me with any pictures and a little bit of information about it, and I will include it in the next one. I'm hoping to do one before we break up for the summer, so please, if you can, email them to me, okay? That's it for me from this week, so I'll head back over to Mrs Wharton, and I hope to see you all soon. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Coulson. Okay, a few of you have been in touch to ask about when you'll be returning into school. And it's safe to say it'll be September now when you guys return. I'm hoping to bring you more information over the coming days about this, so please keep your eye on social media, your parents' email inboxes as well, and also the school website for more information. Now, finally, I've received a couple of really lovely emails from students over the last few days asking if I would read their staff nominations in my assembly, which has got me thinking. So next week will be our final Year 8 assembly. And as always, at the end of the year, we love to celebrate everything brilliant about you. But I also wanted to hand part of next week's assembly over to you, Year 8. Do you have someone you would like to celebrate and thank for getting you through lockdown? Has someone gone that extra mile for you? So I'm not just inviting messages from staff and parents and carers this week, they're still welcome, but I'm also inviting messages from you, Year 8 students. Who would you like to nominate to say well done and thank you to? Has a teacher really supported you and you'd like to recognise that? Has a friend really helped to get you through? They checked in on you and kept you smiling? What about at home? Has a younger sibling, parent, grandparent, carer kept you smiling, cheered you up and kept you going along the way? Why not take this opportunity to celebrate them too? So I know you know my email, but just in case, you should be able to see it on the bottom of the screen right now. So drop me an email and I will share your message in next week's final assembly, or send me a video message if you prefer. It would be lovely to see some of your faces instead of my mush all the time. So that would be great as well too. I'm looking forward to it already. Take care, Year 8. Have a great week and I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.